Hashtags often feel like an outdated practice in today's social media world, especially when you're talking about them in the context of a newer media type like Facebook Reels. When you hear about hashtags, it's like, how many do you use? Niche or broad? And again, are they even effective anymore? I want to answer those questions and more in this video about how and if to use Facebook Reels hashtags. What's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Brandy with LYFE Marketing, the digital marketing agency with a mission to help small businesses grow. Real quick, like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of the marketing videos we put out every week that can help you grow your business. Alright, so if you scroll through Reels on Facebook, you'll see that people are putting hashtags in the captions. I don't really see people putting hashtags in the first comment of Reels like they used to with regular feed posts, but people do put about 2 to 5 relevant hashtags at the bottom of the captions. So let's talk about why that is and why people use Facebook Reels hashtags. Hashtags still hold the same general purpose they always did. People can tap on or search that hashtag to find more posts using that hashtag. So the purpose of using hashtags on Reels is to give your reel even more organic reach than it already gets. I don't care how outdated people feel like hashtags are, they still function the same way in 2022. Even with the crossover between Instagram Reels and Facebook Reels, which brings me to another frequently asked question: do hashtags on Instagram Reels work on Facebook? The answer is yes. If you post an Instagram Reel and toggle on the option to share it to Facebook as well, the hashtags in your Instagram Reels caption will work on Facebook too. When I typed in hashtag floral designer here, the first reel that popped up in my Facebook search was a reel from Instagram. So I think that puts even more importance on the hashtags you use in your Reels, because the hashtags in one caption can carry weight on 2 major platforms. Now, how many hashtags should you use? I think on Instagram, the limit is still 30, and on Facebook, it may be more than that. But either way, I think the limit is irrelevant, honestly, because you shouldn't be using anywhere near 30 hashtags anyhow. The sweet spot in how many hashtags you should use is between 2 to 5, again, 5 hashtags max. And there's a few reasons for this. You don't want to clutter up your caption, and you also don't want to add hashtags just to add hashtags. Limiting yourself to 5 or less kind of forces you to be very specific and intentional with the hashtags you're using. You should also know that if you use the same set of hashtags over and over and over again in every single post, they start losing their power on Instagram, and I would guess Facebook too. Instagram recognizes when you're using the same exact hashtags all the time, and it starts lowering your reach on them because it comes across as spammy instead of intentional. So make sure you're doing your hashtag research and switching up the hashtags you're using in every post. Now, Karan has a whole video on hashtags, so if you're interested in learning more about the strategy and choosing those, I will link that below for you to watch next. And also, I will say, if you just sort of want a professional to take over and handle all of this for you from top to bottom so you don't have to worry about it, we can do that, and I will link our short video management services below as well. Otherwise, please like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell if you found this video helpful, and I will see you in the next